Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Are you guys looking for best wireless microphone within your budget? So here is a suggestion which is around 1500 in Amazon. This brand comes maybe within your budget if you're looking for something around 1.5k. We do have microphones lesser than this available online and a few, but could not get satisfied with the quality of it. Let's test this one's performance and see what are the pros and cons. It looks compact and handy. It comes with a Type-C cable with an iPhone connector, user manual and a charging case. As you're watching this video, the voice you're hearing is without microphone. And this one you're hearing is with the microphone on. Yeah, hope you guys saw the difference now. So this one is good compared to the other brands within this budget. But the negative thing about this mic is it doesn't have noise cancellation. But for this budget, it's quite good. If you're looking for a budget microphone with a decent quality, you can definitely go for it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.